Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about why one should eat peanuts or groundnuts. In Ayurveda and yogic system, a lot of importance has been given to eat peanuts or groundnuts or mungfali. Mungfali is the Hindi name for groundnut. So groundnut is actually a legume. When we eat groundnut, we never think what it is. Okay, it's very tasty, we should eat it. But actually it is a legume, and because it is a legume, it is a very rich source of protein. At the same time, it contains a healthy fat, that is high density lipids, which are extremely essential for the health of your heart and brain. Have you ever noticed whenever sometimes we feel dull or our mood is very low, if you eat groundnuts, suddenly you will feel the change in the mood. This happens because groundnuts help to release a hormone called serotonin, which is also known as happy hormone. So whenever you have to change your mood and you just want to bring change in life, you can have groundnuts. That's why children love peanuts. Why? Because as we know, children are extremely enthusiastic, very full of life. So the little bit dose of these peanuts make them extremely happy because it secretes happy hormone and they enjoy eating peanut. Also, it is very important to know those of us, whether children, adults or old, if you are allergic to peanuts, then please avoid peanuts. You should not eat peanuts if you are allergic to them. It's not only about peanuts, anything if you are allergic to, you should avoid it. How we can eat peanuts? There are various ways to eat peanuts. So now the question comes, what is the best time to have peanuts? You can have peanuts in the morning, in the afternoon and even at night, but there are certain buts. If you have very good metabolism, that means if you have very good digestive fire, you can eat peanuts anytime during the day. But if you don't have very good metabolism, that is your digestive fire is not so good, then you can have peanuts either in the morning or afternoons. Avoid eating peanuts during night, because if you have low metabolism, that is if your digestive fire is low, and if you are eating peanuts during night, that happens mostly, like you are sitting near campfire and you are eating peanuts, then because of low digestive fire, peanuts cannot be digested properly and it will converted into undigested food, which is also known as ama, and which is also responsible for get deposited in the form of fat here and there, which is responsible for gaining weight. So all of you who want to avoid weight gaining, I request them not to eat peanuts during night, because during night time as you know, sun goes down and our digestive fire also goes down. So don't take any heavy meals at night. And if somebody's metabolism is low, for them it would be difficult to digest peanuts if they have eaten peanuts during night. Now comes the various ways with which we can have peanuts. What are the various methods? One thing is, you can boil peanuts and you can eat them. This way peanuts becomes extremely healthy if you can boil them. Another way of eating peanuts, you can roast it. Like in India, we roast peanuts in the sand and it becomes totally roasted, and all the kapha element from the peanuts, which is responsible for weight gain, after roasting this way, it has been removed, and now even those people can eat peanuts who are very scared of having weight gain. Another way of having peanuts is to oil them, like shallow fry peanuts after removing the outer cover and after removing the red cover. So you can shallow fry them, but if you shallow fry peanuts in any kind of oil, it will enhance the quantity of fat in it. And for all those people who are cardiac patients, hypertensive, who have hypertension and who have diabetes, this kind of oiled peanuts are not recommended because they are responsible for enhancing the cholesterol levels in the system, and that's why this kind of peanuts which are roasted in oil, they are not considered as extremely healthy. One way of boiling peanuts is you just boil them with outer peel, like the cover, and when you are going to use it, don't remove the cover with teeth, because it's a normal practice especially in India, like just to cut peanut with teeth. Please use fingers to remove the outer peel, don't cut it with the teeth, it is not healthy habit. So, another after that you remove the outer red peel of the peanut also, because this red peel has very sticky properties and it can stick sometimes in your throat somewhere, and you didn't recognize it because it's very thin, and whenever something got stick in your throat, as you know, our body has this self defense mechanism. So, sometimes because of this peel, and if it got stuck for many days in your throat, there is a possibility like some inflammation will develop around it, or which will also lead to throat infections, because various kind of bacteria come at that point and attack, and then our throat will become bad, and then we blame peanuts because we ate peanuts, that's why our throat became bad. So, it is not the truth. If we eat it in a right way, it will not cause any harm unless you are allergic to peanut. Anybody can have this much peanuts, how much he can hold in one feast. That was the Ayurveda way of eating grains, eating legumes and everything. Like you need to eat that much how you can hold in your fist. So, that much is needed for your body. So, this was one way of eating peanut. You can eat these kind of soaked boiled peanuts, like even you can soak them overnight, in the morning you can boil it. You can even use it as a boiled salad in your breakfast or food.